Hi, on today's episode, we're looking at the chickadee. This is the Carolina chickadee, Pocile carolinensis. It is a small passerine bird in the titbird family, Paridae. Adults are between 11.5 to 13 centimeters or 4.5 to 5.1 inches long and weigh in at about 9 to 12 grams or 0.32 to 0.42 ounces. The calls and songs between the Carolina chickadee and the black-capped chickadee differ subtly. The breeding habitats of the Carolina chickadee is wooded areas in the United States from New Jersey west to southern Kansas and south to Florida and Texas.